Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create a charcoal sketch of BTS member V. V has a unique look with his sharp features and intense gaze, making him an interesting subject for a charcoal sketch. So if you want, you can follow along with me. I'm going to start by building eyes, nose, mouth, and then rest of his features here. So we're going to focus on his sharp features like his eyes, nose, and lips to capture his intense and brooding expression. Here I'll be using cross hatching technique to create depth and dimensions, and for creating the smoky effect, the soft effect around the eyes and on the skin. I'll just going to blend it with my finger. Now here I'm just working with my 7B pencil. It is not super black, not super light. There is no shine when we work with it. So I like this pencil a lot when I'm working on portraits. So I'm just working with one pencil and creating both light and dark effect, the softer and the hard lines. But if you want, you can go ahead and pick your 2B pencil or pencil H for the lighter tones, and anything above 6B, 6B, 7B, 8B for creating the darker tones. The darker tones, as in the shading for the lips, for the hairs, and everything. So that's up to you, or just try to work with one pencil, creating light and dark effect with it. Next, I'm building up the details, adding shading and texture to capture the depth and complexity of his features, creating a basic shape and proportion for the face, and later we'll be adding a little bit of outlines and light strokes for creating little details for the face. It's important to constantly step back and assess your drawing, making adjustments as needed. Charcoal is a forgiving medium, so don't be afraid to make mistakes and experiment with different techniques. Charcoal is a great medium for capturing the depth and complexity of a subject's feature, and it's a fun and challenging medium to work with. So, with this, we come to the end of the sketch. I hope this video inspired you to try your hand at charcoal sketching and to capture the essence of your favorite celebrities or musician. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos like this.